Welcome to Fun with Kids with Happy and Leo.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, as promised, we are back with English worksheets for first grade and second grade. So today's topic for English worksheets is rhyming words. Rhyming words are nothing but the words with similar sounds. At least two or more syllables are same in rhyming words. So here are few examples how we can design the worksheets for rhyming words. Okay, there are certain worksheets I have designed for rhyming words which are used for both first grades and second grades. Okay, so if your kid practice these worksheets, their topic of rhyming words will be thorough and they will certainly enjoy doing these types of worksheets. Okay, so first worksheet is complete the rhyme. Here is the worksheet 1 where I have given few sentences and highlighted a word. For this word, kids need to find out the rhyming word. Okay, for example here, we made a. From these two options, kids need to find out the rhyming word. So what will be the rhyming word for made? We made a trade. So these are meaningful sentences, small sentences, meaningful small sentences with two rhyming words in it. Like, we wait in line to dine. Right? What shape is a grape? There is a bee by the tree. Okay. So few sentences are here. If you want to copy these sentences, you can take screenshot anytime and copy these sentences. Bring your cane to the plane. There is an ant on the plant. Right? Put your nose in that rose. So these are few sentences with rhyming words in it. Okay. Here for one word they need to find out the exact rhyming word from 10 different words. For example, and they need to match the columns. Ball rhymes with fall. Tell rhymes with smell. Like this. Okay. Like this they will match that rhyme. Okay. So next set of rhyming word is write two rhyming words for each. Write two rhyming words for each. Here man, can, van. Right? Like this, 2 or 3 rhyming words kids can write for a given word. Now, very interesting part of worksheet, rhyming will. I'm sure kids will really enjoy this type of worksheet where, see here you are actually introducing the concept. OP, the ending sound of word is same. For example, here you can give beginning words, or if your kid in his second grade, there is no need to give beginning words. Kids need to find out as many possible words from ending sound OP. Like for example, cop, flop, mop, top, drop, like this. Okay. Now, next is very interesting type of worksheet, rhyming bubble. Now here in this worksheet, what kids need to do? Kids need to find out the bubbles, 2 or 3 bubbles, which rhymes, and color these bubbles with the same color. Okay. The rhyming words, they need to color this bubble with same bubble. For example, bat, cat. So if they are coloring this with red, they have to color this rhyming word with red. Okay. Next, same, rhyming will. Here I have not given any beginning word. Kids need to find out as many words possible with ending word OOK. Okay. For example, cook, book, took, like this. Okay. Next is, this is specially for second grade students. Okay. Complete the poem with a word that rhyme. Here the small sentences I have given, 2 or 3 sentences as a kind of poem, and they need to find out the rhyming word, meaningful rhyming word to complete this poem. For example, the apple trees all started small, but now it's fall and they are so doll. Next is the man went to the den at 10 to put the hen back in its pen. Right? Next is my mother likes to keep her sheep inside a barn where they can sleep. Here I have not highlighted any word. To find out the rhyming word for that, kids needs to decide, depending on these two words, kids needs to decide for which word they are finding the rhyming word and which word can complete the meaningful sentence. Okay. Chip went looking for a bug. He dug a hole in my new rug. Bug, rug, like this. I took my pet to see the vet. They liked each other when they, yes, met. Okay, likewise. So these were the sets of rhyming words worksheet. You can design such types of worksheets and let me know the feedback if your kids enjoy these kinds of worksheets in comment section below. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We'll be coming with more interesting DIY worksheets in every video. So bye bye guys, see you in next video. I'll be coming with maths worksheets for first grade and second grade. Till that time, happy parenting, stay safe, stay healthy. See you in next video.